Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APRN. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. What a monster mover, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume this one. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. I traded it today, but from a disclosure standpoint, I don't currently own any shares in it, but I definitely plan on watching it tomorrow. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. Now, the part that makes this interesting is this pullback here. That makes you wonder, is this the beginning of the end, or is this just one of these pullbacks that's going to consolidate out and then maybe, provide even that much more of a follow through? Charts are not a crystal ball, but from a trading perspective, like I said, it's a unique scenario and one that's always worth paying attention to. But you also have to be able to realize that this could be the beginning of the end. So if you're not good at risk management and risk control and all that sort of stuff, then you should definitely stay away. But if it is not the beginning of the end and this thing all of a sudden turns around, then from the risk versus reward perspective, some interesting dynamics are playing out. So the level that really stands out to me now going forward that I'm curious about is right here at $9.75. And it's more so a support zone, I'd call it. So from $9.75 down to that other breakout area, right around $9.50. So this 25-cent area, can that level hold up if it goes down there? I mean, if it doesn't, so if the price comes down here and then just, like a warm knife through butter down around there, does that mean the entire chart's destroyed? I'm not going to go that far, but it does start to put the price right back to this area of the chart where it was before the big breakout move there happened. And, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or anything like that. So that's why to me, this 975 to 925 mark, definitely an interesting location on the chart. Now, if the price just crushes down through there, then there could be some, other, potential overextended type scenarios. But as it stands right now, I don't want to get too complicated with all this. For me though, that 925 to 950 to 975 mark going to be an interesting area of support. In the event the price bounces, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. First key level to watch going forward is going to be that former area of support right there at about $10.85. And if that level can be broken, next key level after that, right up there at about $11.75. So if the price can get above $11.75, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But all in all, quite the eventful day. And like I said, I know I'll be watching it tomorrow. So let's see if this volatility can keep up. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.